Let's solve this question now.
Question 9, Hain. Ammonia is manufactured from nitrogen and hydrogen by the Haber process. The equation is given N2,3H2, 2NH3. What is the percentage yield when 60 kg of ammonia is produced from 60 kg of hydrogen? The formula for percentage yield is actual yield, theoretical yield, 100. The actual yield is given as 60 kg of ammonia. Let's calculate the theoretical yield. 1. Find the number of moles of hydrogen, moles, mass in grams, molecular mass, mass of hydrogen, 6,000 g, molecular mass of H2, 2g mole. Moles of hydrogen, 6,000 g, worrying 2g mole, 3,000 mole, 2. Calculate the moles of ammonia formed. Moles of NH3, moles of H2, 2 mole NH3, 3 mole H2, 3,000, 2,000 mole, 3. Convert moles of NH3 to mass, mass moles, molecular mass of NH3, 17, g mole, mass of NH3, 2,000 mole, 17 g mole, 34,000 g, 340 kg. Theoretical yield, 340 kg of ammonia. Percentage yield, actual yield / theoretical yield, 160 kg, 340 kg, 117.64%.
If you find this question difficult, you need to revise the relevant topics from cambridgeclassroom.com.